Hey there, I'm Christian Gill, chef and Spiceologist.
And I'm Tony Reed, chef and director of Culinary at Spiceology.
We're gathered here today to discuss the dining and dish opportunities in the healthcare food service industry.
According to Data Essentials, 2/3 of consumers say food offerings are important to the overall care experience. And 41% of patients and residents factor in food options when making choices about their care.
That's tough when you consider that 76% of healthcare operators said that the overall dietary needs of the population are the top driver of menu decisions.
Think low sodium, reduced sugar, low fat, heart healthy, and diabetic diets.
Those are the exact words I think of when I think of yummy food.
We know it's difficult to balance the different dietary needs and ensure food is universally tasty.
Spiceology offers more than 300 plus products, salts, herbs, chilies, etc. But today we're focusing on the cost and time saving, nutrition requirement nailing, flavor enhancing spice juggernauts that are our blends.
Like Greek Freak, our top selling Mediterranean blend.
Or Smoky Honey Habanero, which is exactly what it sounds like, and the blend that started it all.
Ground fresh and packed fresh, using only grade A quality real ingredients, Spiceology blends provide healthcare food service providers with the versatile flavor tools you need to give the people what they want when it comes to dining.
Which are apparently global flavors. A long-lasting trend in healthcare dining, global dishes are easily achievable with Spiceology blends.
This is Tandoori Glory, an Indian masala blend. Their tasty combo of paprika, cayenne, cinnamon, coriander, garlic, ginger, cumin, and even more is one of my favorite spice blends to work with thanks to its versatility. It's incredible mixed into a yogurt marinade for chicken or to season carrots during the roasting process.
While preferred, we know that healthcare kitchens don't always have the time nor staff to tackle scratch cooking. But that doesn't mean you can't add innovative dishes to the menu. Think of this as tasty, guaranteed consistency in a jar.
Mix Tandoori Glory into a pre-made mashed potatoes, shaped into balls, and fry for an easy aloo banda inspired comfort dish.
Or shake onto cauliflower to make a quick aloo gobi style side or main dish. It's great in pre-made carrot soup as well. One blend, so many possibilities.
Tandoori Glory is also available in a salt-free version, so those preparing meals for folks on a sodium-restricted diet can easily add flavor as well.
In fact, we developed 17 salt-free blends in partnership with low to no sodium expert Chef Dwayne Sunwold and the National Kidney Foundation.
From global flavors like this, your newly discovered favorite Indian masala blend, and chamoy-inspired mango tango to comfort food favorites like Greek Freak and Really Ranch, this versatile salt-free product line covers a wide variety of culinary styles.
From innovative salt-free solutions to everyday must-have salts and peppers, we've got your kitchen covered.
Reach out to your distro rep or contact sales@spiceology.com to learn more about how Spiceology and our 300 plus ingredients and blends can enhance your healthcare food service program.
Period.